Hi, I'm Carol. We just recently had Mayflower Construction convert our sunroom into a laundry room, and now we have a beautiful all-season room to enjoy. We decided to renovate because this was basically wasted space. It was a sunroom that we couldn't really use because we didn't have heat or air out here. So it became a storage room. The previous laundry room was downstairs. So you had to go downstairs, you're lugging the laundry downstairs, and then you're lugging it back up to put it away. And we got to thinking it would be so convenient if we could have the laundry up here right off the kitchen. So this is so much more convenient, just zipping it here from the bedrooms into this room, and I can do all sorts of other stuff while the laundry's washing and drying. Estimates from 3 companies, one of which was Mayflower, and Mayflower was the first to respond. I did get responses eventually from the other 2 and talked to them, but I really like the way Mayflower, the way the designer discussed things with me, and I like the way the whole project was approached. So I think Mayflower's the way to go. Oh, the process went wonderfully. It went right on time. Gosh, the guys worked like 13-hour days, and at the end of each day they cleaned up. Yeah, they're very clean workers. And so it was wonderful, to open this door and have everything all cleaned up, no dust, no dirt, no particles. It was spotless. It was not only during the project that Mayflower handled issues, they really kind of worked on them in advance, because we had a couple big issues, well, 3 issues really. The fact that there was no heat or air out in this room, the fact that we had an 8-inch drop from the kitchen to this room, so the floor had to be raised 8 inches, which meant that the exterior door had to be cut off, and this door leads to the patio, so you can't have an 8-inch step, and there wasn't enough to make several steps, so they ended up coming up with an idea of a pie step, they call it, and it works beautifully. Love the finished laundry room. The fact that I can basically stay up here on this level for basically all my needs, and has just really changed our lives. And we love eating out here, we love playing games out here, and it's just become a nice functional room right off the kitchen. I would highly recommend Mayflower. Yeah, I've worked with we've lived in this house for 46 years. We've dealt with numerous construction companies, and Mayflower has been the easiest construction company I've ever dealt with. Very, very few questions, very few, if any, problems, and they were right on time with everything.